Hi, good day everyone. We'll take you to the exit side of Casa Mira Towers Mandaue. On our right side is the Pacific Mall, the nearest mall in Casa Mira Towers Mandaue. We are now taking UN Avenue Road, wherein in just a few minutes we'll arrive at the Mactan International Airport, passing through Marcelo Fernan Bridge. You know what I like about the vacation is it's very accessible. When you go to Lapu-Lapu City, you'll arrive in just a few minutes. And if you want to go to the northern Cebu, like Consolacion, Liloan, or to Danao, Bugo, so we'll just take Gonzaga Bridge in just a few meters away from here. And on your right side, here we'll need to right turn going to the exact side of Casa Mira Towers Mandaue, and just a few meters from here we'll arrive. And this is a one-way road. When you go straight, this is going to AC Cortez, and in just a few minutes we'll arrive at Chamo Hospital, the Park Mall, Cebu Doctors University School, and of course the SRP. So if you are from South Cebu and you want to go to South Cebu, so it's easy. Well, anyway, Casa Mira Towers Mandaue is developed by one of the known developers here in Philippines, Cebu Land Masters Incorporated, and this developer has commitment to their investors. Actually, even this time, during this pandemic, we have started the construction of this project, and I'll insert some of the pictures of the construction update and the actual site of this project. We are now arriving to Casa Mira Mandaue, and I think it's just around 2 minutes from Pacific Mall. Actually, this is the Estancia Road. You can take here from Cebu City going to the site. Yeah, so just wait. Well, anyway, after this video, I'll insert the perspective pictures of the project, and also I have a short clip of a walkthrough video of the project, so you'll see how it looks like. And yeah, we're here already. On our right side, let's slow down. Yeah, on our right side, this is the Casa Mira Towers Mandaue, and I'll put some pictures also